Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. I am also well by the grace of Allah. Today I am going to talk about a decent project and its United Crowd, one of the best project in this present time. If you searching a legit project, then this video only for you. Here you can see transparent, secure, compliant asset tokenization as a service. So they are full service partner of digital corporate findings. Here you can see the financing platform, the legal framework, the partner network, and investor community. Here they offer their clients and their investor a tailored investment backend and legal framework. They operate under German law to offer you and your investor the best possible security. So they assured you to give you a great security. Here, partner network. Get access to their network of external investor and consultants and investor community. Receive promotion and engagement from the United Crowd community. So here, your financing platform for direct funding. Here, United Crowd provides you with a digital financing tools tailored of your needs. Their online platform enables you to acquire investor worldwide, attract customer, and expand your community. They lead your company into the digital future, legally secure, individual, and affecting the public. So here their home section, and now I go to their use cases section and then uh, see what's in there. Here you can see funding through tokenization. United Cloud issue digital financing product for corporate finance and instance. The range of their tokenization serve include existing financial products such as securities, investment, etc. So their financial products such as security and investment and etc. So as well as physical asset and new financing models. Here their participation right, equity token, here claim rights, debt token, here financial asset token, and right of use utility token. So here the what is tokenization. If you want to know about their tokenization, just read this page carefully, and then you will know about this project and about the tokenization in detail. Here, tokenization is an automated solution for digitizing value, including all right and obligation contained in this value. Here, by issue by a token that is registered in a distributed ledger technology. Here, DLT infrastructure. Here, the resulting tokens represent the digitized form of this value, which can be transmitted via the blockchain. So, you can transmit it via the blockchain system. Here, there are different types of token: asset token, equity token, debt token, and utility token. Here, the four types of token here, and all are great liquid as liquid as well as illiquid value can be mapped as asset token. The spectrum includes everything from cash, real estate, precious metals, or art object to intangible asset such as patents and copyrights. Here the equity token. Shareholdings and voting rights can be represented by equity token. Using the same principle, tokens can also represent share in funds. For example, here utility token. Token represent users right and can grants access to a network, goods or service. Here debt token. Debt token represent debt claimed on repayment of the invest amount with or without interest. The range includes from of bonds, loans, and bonds. Here, excerpt from their partners. Here, the ITSA, International Token Standardization and Association, Here, the BTC Eco der Mittels here der Mittels Island here EU blockchain observatory and forum. So it's their partner, and then I go to their solution option. Here you can see the framework, here launchpad and platform and all it. I show you one by one. Here their framework section, United Cloud tokenization framework. You can see that whole article here. Here that architecture, issuer, user, here smart contract, front end, here API, and custodian and user. Custody, here the API, and front end, here exchange, swap API, here committee, here delegation, front end, here regulator, the smart contract, and here the API and front end custody is also in smart contract, and here user investing and front end is also in smart contract. So you can easily understand that to see this architecture. Here layer and components, access by instance, data intelligence, here oracles, privacy, compliance, identity, governance, and here consensus, here ownership, pricing, here and collateralization, here asset token, equity token, debt token, and utility token. And then you will see issuance of token, a review of the issuer and choice of financing type. Here other things is emission and permission, regulation and contractual provisions. Here the advantage of through technology, and so on. So now I go to their launchpad section, and here you can see that token sales launchpad and your gateway to the world of digital investment. Manage your own digital portfolio, simple and direct with their all-in-on solution. And get in touch them. Here the option. Just click here. Here, web-based platform solution, activity programs, digital contracts, statistics, and here secure payment system, security, compliance, and mobile apps. So their plan is launch a mobile app. So it's great news for all investor. Here, now I go to their United Cloud platform option. Here you can see token sale platform. Same on here, and I go to their wallet option, and then you can see it's their wallet, multi-wallet, and same things are the free multi-wallet of your digital asset, safe custody, effective trading, and fast transfer, and maximum production and intuitive operation even as an app. So here the same things are here: blockchain based fungibility and naming system, custody, token tracker, security, token explorer, and mobile app. So it's one of the best project in present time, and it will be the great value in future. So it's if you want to know about this project in detail, just visit their website and read their wall article on by on. So far today, I will discuss about this project in detail in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you again. Goodbye.